Okay, today's tip is, what tools do I need to build my Spanbilt garden shed? Well, that information you can find easily on the inside of your comprehensive instruction manual. On the inside cover of the front page, you'll see all the tools that are required, which I've got laid out here. First of all, we want you to have some good safety equipment. Some nice work gloves that are quite flexible, that give you the ability to pick up screws and drill bits and things like that. Also, importantly, because you're working with steel, have some safety goggles or spectacles on, just to protect your eyes from any sharp instruments. Also going to need things like a cordless power drill with a Phillips head bit in it. That's the most important tool because there's a number of screws you've got to screw in to build your shed. Other things you're going to need, a tape measure. The tape measure will be used for measuring components, just if you want to double check you've got the right component to go in as per the instructions. Also, it's ideal for using to check measurements like building your doors, to check that you've got them square. Other tools we're going to need, screwdriver, shifting spanner. We also need a pencil to mark any measurements that you make during the building of the garden shed. I prefer an ink marker like this one, just to ensure it's easy to see on dark surfaces. We're also going to need a masonry drill bit to drill the concrete slab if you're anchoring your garden shed to a concrete slab, with a good quality cord power drill, hammer drill preferably, to drill the concrete. Finally, you're going to need a good sturdy step ladder to put your roof on. So I trust those tips will help you, and don't forget to check out our garden sheds available at spanbiltdirect.com.au.